Ulefon never stops developing new products, and they launched a new radio smartphone, Ulefon Armor X7 Pro, on the official store. At a first glance, it looks like an upgraded version of the older of the popular Armor X7, so let's get a closer look on its details. According to the specs, the main upgrade should be the memory configuration. Armor X7 Pro packs 4GB of RAM and 34GB of internal storage, enabling much smoother multitasking operations and faster switching between different applications, so it's sure providing better user experience. Under the hood, the phone packs 20nm MediaTek Helio 20 SoC, which includes a quad-core Cortex-53 CPU and PowerVR Gate 8300 GPU on the front. The phone specs a 5-inch HD display panel with the 219 Pro PPI and a 60:9 aspect ratio. The device features a total of 2 cameras, 13 megapixel primary shooter on the back and a 5 megapixel selfie snapper on the front. Connectivity of the handset includes 4G dual Wi-Fi, 5G Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, micro USB port and a 3.5 handphone jack. The phone runs on the latest Android 10 OS and is powered by the 4000 mAh battery. It also supports face unlock and a fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. You can also choose between 2 color options, black or orange. The global summer sale of Ulefon products, also for the Armor X7 Pro, has already started on AliExpress with a price tag of just $79.99. The company is offering massive discounts on its best-selling smartphones. The links are below the video in description and in comments. Hurry up and grab your Ulefon smartphone at a 618 summer sale. The following is comparison of the Armor X7 Pro vs BV5500 Plus in the video. So let's take a look at what it looks like.